Oh, that's better. Well, I think the microphone wasn't working earlier. I think it's working now because the bar's going up and down when it hears me speak. It's the first time using this, so it's still fairly new. Okay. Well, I was saying before, my onions are growing, which is fantastic. And those leeks I found further back there, they look like they're growing. I just need to push some of these onions back in. This was never a planned long visit because I didn't know it wasn't going to rain, and I'm going to Curry's to pick up something very special for the channel. I can't wait to show you. So this will probably may be out before that is, I don't know. Let's just stick that back in. Upright that one. That's oh, it's all good. Oh, nice to have something growing. Not sure if the red onions are growing, to be fair. It's only the white onions that I can see green shoots. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe they just take a bit longer. Shouldn't be there, but they're big roots. So this has been blown in the wind, I think, that one. Let's put it back there. So they're alive. They're not. If they've got roots like that, that's a good sign. Okay. Right. I'm going to put the drone up. See it from the sky. See you in a bit. I think batteries, this has run out of charge. I need to charge it for a lot longer. I'm not sure if this is even picking up sound, but I've unplugged it anyway. It's all new, so I'm learning how to use it. So this was a flying visit. I'm pleased, to be fair. I took advantage of some sunshine. I just did the drone footage. Ironically, the sun went in for the drone, but never mind. I'll be back soon, very soon. It's meant to be raining all this week, but the weather forecast is unreliable, so I'll be running down here if it's not raining. Right, off we go. I'm going to go to the Curry's now, pick up this, well, it's for the channel. I'm so excited. And I might be using it tonight, so it might be Wednesday's video. Yeah. So I've weighed down the lid of the that thing. It's broken. I couldn't put it on properly, which is a bit of a shame, but never mind. It was inherited, and I'm going to take that to the dump another day. Just stay in the car for months probably till I next go to the dump. Right, everybody, thank you for watching. Quick update, a couple of minutes long probably. See you on the next one. It's good to be back after being ill for went on for over a week. It seemed longer, and then it was freezing and snow and all that kind of stuff. Oh God, you can see everybody else's progress. That looks good. Good shed that. Very nice shed. Oh, I'm shed envy. I need to keep an eye out for one. I need to get the ground ready for that though. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.